Hi friends, I am Tirak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to convert the Canva presentation into Microsoft presentation on your using Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to convert your Canva presentation to the PowerPoint it easily and simply on the Canva. So you can see now I just created a presentation. It's a sample presentation to show you. And after creating the presentation, you just need to click on the share option. Now you just don't want to click on the download option here. You can see instead of here, you can see a Microsoft PowerPoint option here. If you don't having this option, or if it is not shown, just click on the more option. Now you just need to search as Power, P-O-W-E-R. You can see the Microsoft PowerPoint option. Just need to click this. Then click on the save download setting, or click on the clip slides that you want to make it as a PowerPoint presentation and click download. Now you can see the download file has been PPTX. So now you can just open it directly on your Microsoft PowerPoint using this, and you can just use I having only Canva. So I having only WPS Office, so you can see the presentation how it's open like here. So now it's saved as a PowerPoint. You can easily download it as Microsoft PowerPoint using this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you're having any doubt about the Canva, you can just comment below. I just can make a video about it, detailed video about it with a simple and easy solution. So we will meet in next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.